In this video, I will provide a review about Jetpac eSIM. If you travel frequently and spend a lot on roaming, this could be a game changer for you. It's a digital eSIM that you can activate on your phone. It is available in 150 plus countries, so whether you are in Latin America, Europe, or anywhere else, you can stay connected. You can use your Google for quick access. You can even start with 1 GB package before committing to a larger package. To set up the eSIM, go to Settings, then Mobile Data option, then select Jetpack eSIM, turn on data roaming, and that's it. It provides some extra perks like free launch access. You can add up to 6 people in case of flight delays. It provides built-in VPN to keep your internet connection secure. So, in conclusion, if you travel often and need reliable, affordable data, Jetpack eSIM is one of the best choices. So that's it for the review today. If this review helps, like, share and subscribe.